Hi and welcome to the walk around video here at Your Next Car. As always, we're going to begin by showing you around the exterior of the car. I'm also going to talk to you about the major talking points and features of this beautiful 420D M Sport Convertible. The vehicle itself is presented in the Alpine White, and of course we've also added a full YNC Mperformance body styling kit to the car. Included in that is the very special 20-inch 795M style alloys that are finished in the ferric grey. Situated just behind those, you will see the M Sport Plus brakes. That is thanks to this convertible being equipped with BMW's fantastic M Sport Plus package. At the front of the car, you'll see there it's a 2018 18 plate, so of course we've also got that very nice facelift. Down the side of the car, you'll see the gloss black air breathers, satin side vinyls and gloss black sidebars, along with the YNC Mperformance decals. And of course I've already had the roof put down on the car so we can show off the very nice M Highlight black Dakota leather seats that the car comes equipped with. In terms of the other interior features, we've got the convertible comfort package, so that consists of the air collar, as you can see there, so we get a nice warm draft of air. We've got the heated seats in the front along with electric movement and memory for driver's side, and we also get a heated M Sport steering wheel, all of which we'll take a close-up look at shortly. As you can hopefully see throughout this video as well, all of the interior and exterior condition on this car are fantastic. In the rear, you get an Isofix 2x2 seat arrangement, a centre folding armrest, and sitting just behind the rear seats in its little storage compartment is the wind deflector. And what this is aimed to do is, of course, just absorb and get rid of some of the wind turbulence that can, of course, sometimes be experienced when travelling at higher speeds with the roof down. Again, showing you off these fantastic looking alloys, and at the back of the car we've added a high gloss rear boot spoiler along with a very nice matching rear diffuser, and of course the staggeringly nice LED rear facelift lights. Opening up the boot, now of course always with convertibles you often found that you had to pop the roof all the way back to its fully closed position to give you access to your full boot room. Not the same here with the 4 Series, because BMW gives you this little switch which allows you to partly pop the roof back closed, and then you can gain access to the full luggage capacity, which is a very large one, and it goes all the way back to the rear of the seats. And there you can see once again, not only is it all clean and tidy in there, there are the genuine BMW floor mats which will of course also accompany the car. Closing that back down so that folds all nice and neatly back away. Again, just for that little bit of convenience, it will help you out massively, and you'll be amazed how much you do use that feature. Moving around to the other side of the car, again we can show you how nice the Alpine White does work with all of the additions we've made here at Your Next Car, alongside being presented very nicely. So I'm going to go ahead and take a seat inside the car, and first of all start by getting the roof to close, which again is a very quick operation, thanks in part of course thanks to BMW's clever innovative ideas. We simply push this button forward. The roof can also be operated at speeds at 15 miles an hour, so of course should you be caught out and quickly want to close the roof, it's not a problem. As you can see there, the vehicle's covered just over 22,000 miles. We've of course also got the BMW professional wide navigation and media screen, alongside that fantastic 8-speed sports automatic gearbox and cruise control with speed limiter, voice and volume controls, all on our multi-function M Sport steering wheel. So now we're nice closed in with our metal roof, we'll run yourself through a couple of the features in a bit more detail. Starting with the navigation screen with real-time traffic updates to keep us on the fastest route possible. We've also got Bluetooth for telephone and audio purposes, a wide array of multimedia inputs including DAB, music collection, AUX and USB inputs. And another fantastic feature for this 420D is the fact we have also got the Connected Drive Plus. Connected Drive Plus is a great way to keep you connected to everything else on the move. Gives you access to online search, news and weather apps, all powered via Google, and of course utilising the car's own onboard 4G network, so it does not use any of your own data. Down here you find the dual climate controls, switches for the heated seats, and of course the very powerful air collar system, keeping you nice and warm and allowing you to have that roof down even longer. Round here is the switch for the heated M Sport steering wheel, and as you can see there, I'll just take you in for a bit of a closer look. As you can see there, we can search for pretty much anything we like. Always useful for when you're out and about, should you want to search for a restaurant, service station, or even if you've got to be at a particular place and you don't know the address, you can search it and it will pop up and you can enter it straight into the sat nav from there. Thank you very much for taking the time to watch this walk around video. I do hope you've enjoyed it and been able to find it useful. And one final last look at the car with the roof all the way closed. And there you have it. For further information, Please remember, in the description is a link to our website alongside contact details for ourselves directly here at your next car. Once again, thanks very much, take care, and we'll hopefully see you soon. Goodbye.